GoPro Heroes. This is How to GoPro channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reformat your microSD card. Besides your devices, a memory card may be the most important thing of your equipment. The reason is simple. Your device won't record without a memory card. If a memory card doesn't work properly, you will be able to lose your footage. Memory cards should be formatted to maintain top performance and avoid any issues. The key thing is to reformat the memory card inside the camera instead of formatting it through your computer. Formatting the card in the camera not only deletes the files, it creates a new directory on the card. The important thing is to do it regularly. It's very easy to reformat your memory card, and every camera has a similar procedure. I show you how to reformat a card using GoPro Hero5 and DJI Phantom 3. Let's reformat a card inside the camera. We use GoPro Hero5. First, you should insert your memory card into a card slot of your camera. Then turn on your camera. After that, swipe down and tap Preferences. If you have Hero 4, press Power button and choose Setup. Other cameras require to press Menu button and navigate to Options. After that, navigate to Format SD card or Delete. Finally tap it and confirm formatting. Wait until it finishes. You will be able to turn off the camera. Now you are sure that your card is ready for recording. Let's reformat a card inside DJI Phantom 3. First, you should insert your memory card into a card slot of your camera. Then turn on your drone. After that, open DJI Go app and choose your drone. Then click Camera. Next, tap Menu. Then tap Options. Finally, tap Format SD card. Wait until it finishes and turn off your drone. The next question is, how often should I reformat my memory card? Should I reformat my card and camera before every use? You may have got several devices. If you use one memory card for all your devices, you should reformat your card after changing your device. So why I always buy a new card for every new device? The next important thing is to reformat your card before essential occasions. Formatting at the beginning of the recording will catch a card that is starting to fail. So if the card has an error during formatting, you may change it. Some people prefer to reformat the card on a regular basis, for example, once a month. Others prefer to reformat every 6 months, and simply erase files after importing. You will decide. Cards are cheap nowadays, so you will be able to reformat every time you start a recording, and retire the corrupted cards as soon as possible. Hope it is helpful for you. Have a nice recording. Please leave a like and subscribe for get more. Bye bye!